Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm walking you through a super handy Canva skill, how to add a clickable link or button inside your design step by step. Whether you want people to check out your online store, visit an event registration, or just find more info at the click of a button, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set it up from scratch so your design actually takes people where you want them to go. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we need to open up Canva. If you haven't used it before, you can access Canva through your browser or use the app. Either works for this tutorial. Once you're in, look for the Create button, usually up in the top right corner. Give that a click and you'll see a few options for different types of designs. For this tutorial, we're going to use a custom size, so select Custom Size. Here we want to make a nice, compact button, so type in 100 pixels for the width and 50 pixels for the height. This size is great for buttons, big enough to see, but not taking up too much space on the design. Once you've entered those values, hit that Create New Design button. Canva will open up a fresh, blank canvas that's perfectly sized for your clickable link or button. Take a moment to let it load. Sometimes new projects can take a few seconds, especially if your internet's a bit slow. Now for the fun part, let's add an image of the product or idea you're sharing. You can use Canva's built-in photo library or upload your own image if you have one saved on your computer. Just drag and drop your image onto the canvas and adjust its position until it looks right. For example, if you're selling a mug, find a nice, clear photo of that mug and pop it onto the button area. The key here is to make it appealing. Think of this like the window display for your product. Next, let's add some text. Click on the text tool and start typing in the name of your product or whatever you want the button to say. For example, you might write "Buy Now, Shop Mug" or simply the product's name. You can change the font style, color, and size to match your branding or just to make sure it stands out over the image. Try to pick a color that contrasts nicely. You want people to immediately know what they're clicking. Here's an important step, making your text clickable. Hover over your product name or select the text box with your cursor, then right-click. In the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Link. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where the magic happens. Head over to your web browser, find the page where your product is being sold. Maybe it's on Etsy, Shopify, or even Amazon. Copy that website address from the top of your browser. That's the link you want people to visit. Back in Canva, just paste that URL into the link box, or if you know the link by heart, you can type it in directly. Hit enter and boom, your text is now a clickable link. When you download this design as a PDF or use it in an email, that button will take viewers directly to your product page with just one click. And voila, you've just created a clickable button in Canva. Don't be afraid to get creative with colors, add some extra design elements, spruce up your button with icons or drop shadows. The more it stands out, the better. If something doesn't look quite right, just play around until you're happy. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you hit any snags or have other Canva questions. I'm always here to help. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.